Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am currently in Walmart and it is the night before Black Friday. It's Thanksgiving today and we just got done eating our dinner and we're starting Black Friday shopping already. The store is already crazy. It's not even 5:30 and the sale for Black Friday at Walmart starts at 6 and people are already here like marking their spots. They have a whole bunch of workers like everywhere guarding the stores and the deals are just absolutely crazy. I want to catch some crazy stuff on footage because there's always crazy stuff happening, especially at Walmart. So yeah, I have a couple of things in mind that I want to pick up here. We're also going to go to Target, Best Buy, things like that. Also Ulta, which I'm most excited for, of course. People like steal stuff out of each other's carts, they like fight for stuff, they like run, push people over. It's honestly crazy. So yeah, I also wanted to just vlog shopping so I could do a haul at the end and show you guys everything that I got and all the good deals. So I'm here with my family and Darian. Carly and Andrew are actually working right now, so they couldn't make it, but we're here shopping early. I have stuff wrapped up in saran wrap. They have aisles blocked off. When we got here, the parking lots were like sectioned off, like so you couldn't even get in one half of it. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be hectic tonight, and it's not even technically Black Friday yet. It is tomorrow, which I'll probably vlog some tomorrow as well. I already did a little bit of shopping online, but I mean, there's only so much you can get online without seeing it in the stores, and like if it's closed, trying it on and stuff. So I switched out of my Thanksgiving clothes. I was wearing like tight jeans with heeled thigh-high boots, so I'm now in a comfier, more practical outfit for running around and shopping. I'm in this cute light pink bomber jacket with some gray sweats and also light pink Adidas that match my jacket. Yeah, I'm also looking for a controller. We have the flyer right here in front of us. We're gonna go to Kohl's after. Okay, so I guess in the main grocery aisle is where all the big ticket items are that are like wrapped up, and that's where everybody's waiting, like phones and printers, computers, stuff like that. What time is it?
5:15.
Oh my god, we have like almost another hour and people are already crowding up. $8 64 gigabyte SIM cards. Oh my god. This line is for all those TVs that everybody's looking at. But they're 40-inch TVs for $100 bucks. That's what we're trying to get. Guess they knew the TVs would be a good seller. It's 5:20 and we're currently waiting in the line for the TVs because we're trying to get two because they're really cheap. It's a good deal. So we can only get one per person, so I'm waiting with my mom and I'm sitting in a car because we're going to be standing here for 40 minutes. Yeah, they're starting early. It's not 6 o'clock yet.
Yeah, that's why I was like, perfect timing.
I was like playing on my Apple Watch and all of a sudden everybody started like screaming. I'm pretty sure it's not even 6 o'clock. It's 5:55. They started early, but I ended up getting the right printer, the Chromebook, and also the SD card. That was 64 gigabytes. That was only $8. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm looking for no more. Kohl's is the next big stop. We just finished up at Walmart. The line for Kohl's is always so long. It doesn't look too packed though.
What color controller do you like, Tori?
I forget.
The rose gold or silver or black.
What was it that you said?
How I mentioned before in the video how I did a little bit of online shopping previous to coming Black Friday shopping. BH Cosmetics was one of the websites that I hit up, but I'm still gonna look because if they have some good deals, I'll definitely snag some stuff. 20% off. Oh, I like this. We were actually in Walmart for a little bit longer than we planned, so we're kind of late to Kohl's, you know, everybody kind of is already here. You guys, this is the best mascara. It is my current favorite, NYX On The Rise. It's not too expensive. I'm pretty sure, especially with 20% off, it would be like $8, $9. Oh, Michael Kors. You guys, Michael Kors. I've been obsessed with Michael Kors lately. It's my favorite, like, designer brand. Like, with Kate Spade, all that. Like, I love Michael Kors.
No, that's not common, is it? Yeah. What are you?
If you're gonna buy it.
I don't know how much it is though.
I don't know prices.
44, that'll be 35, 20.
35? That's not. Oh, is this on clearance? 50% off? Why is this 50% off?
Back to school. What a video game? I'm trying to get those.
Yeah, we can find the video games in Walmart.
Back there. No,
they have video games here?
Yeah, do you know where the video games were?
Where?
In the frozen section at Walmart.
The TVs were too, probably because they knew it would be like a big seller, so they had to like separate it from the rest of the gaming. Surprisingly, Kohl's isn't packed. Like the aisles just have like minimal, normal people in them. Like it's not like shoving, it's not crammed, like everybody can fit. So I think we're gonna head to the Lehigh Valley Mall. Next, after we wait in line, we're almost to the front. The line's moving really fast. We now finished up and I discovered the best lighting situation for my camera. I'm holding my flashlight like above my viewfinder and I can hold it all at once. And the lighting looks really, really good for dark situations because if I didn't have this flashlight, it would look like this. We picked up a couple things at Walmart and Kohl's. We didn't go to Target, but there's really nothing that I could think of because that was one of the online stores we shopped at on their website before we came shopping, so.
We in Ulta, y'all.
Huh?
Hey guys.
Our third stop is Ulta, and okay, so I was looking at these in their ads. It's all their mascaras for $10. So the Buxom one, my sister wanted a plain bronzer and highlighter, and she likes the Kylie ones. I just don't know what shade. They're only $10. Probably this one for her. I mean, they don't have like a white, but she'll like that. I don't know. So these two are for her. For her bronzer, I don't want to get one too orange or too dark. Probably just this for her bronzer. I'm honestly just here to look at the deals. I come in Ulta a lot, so I mean I know what they have like generally like on an everyday basis.
Even tones regular to 20.
Regular 44. That one's 37, so it could be that.
Really?
I saw this one like 20 pack I think of like Ulta lip glosses. It was their brand, but I only wanted one in there, and I'm gonna see if I can find it like individually to like buy by itself. It was this, but without like all those glittery shimmers in it. It was this. Yeah, like the lip oil. Okay, we're sold on this one. Look at this one. And look at this one. It's like yellow. I need a new brow gel. While I'm up here, I like to get this brand because like I said, it's only at Ulta. It's not in like Targets or anything.
Only on sale online. Okay. I took it off. Thank you. Okay. And I don't have any that with that.
We now finished up at Ulta. I think that's the store we got the most from just because they were having the best deals, and that was the store I was most interested in from the start. But the reason that why we went there first before the Lehigh Valley Mall was because it's on the way there. So we're now heading there now, and I'll start vlogging up when we get to the mall. I'm only really in here for like the main stores like Forever 21, Victoria's Secret. Honestly, there's not too much in this mall that I shop from. only like a couple stores in there that I wanted to hit, that I knew I would buy something for, that had good deals. And it's now almost 9 o'clock. I haven't really been updating you guys on the time much, but it's now 9 o'clock. It feels like way later. I don't know if I'm just not used to being out this late, but we're now heading over to Phillipsburg, and the Kohl's over there. We're gonna meet my sister, so we're also gonna hit some shops over there. We finished up at Kohl's. My sister's now here. And we're going to Ulta again, the one in Phillipsburg, not the one by us. So it's a different Ulta. They might have different stuff. And we managed to pick up a lot at the other Ulta. So we're going to see what we can find now. What time is it? It's 9:40. I didn't record too much in the store. So they didn't have the brand LA Girl at the last Ulta, and I love it, and they're having a buy one get one 50% off. I love their concealers, but last time I got it, I ordered it online because it wasn't in stores yet, and I got the wrong shade, so I never used it. So I never really gave it a chance, but I heard it's like really good. Lots of people use it, so I might get it. It's $5, and then if I get another one, it'll be 50% off, so $2.50. So I'm now finally back home, and it is 11:10, and after Ulta, we decided to go home. I fell asleep in the car, and it is way later than I'm usually out. I'm not gonna end this vlog tonight, however, because I am shopping tomorrow. We didn't end up going to the Victoria's Secret Pink in the mall, the Lehigh Valley Mall that we went to, because the line. I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it is now the next morning, and I just woke up like literally 5 minutes ago. I don't even know if you could see the time. It's like 8:14. We're going to our local mall to go to Victoria's Secret. I'm literally in my pajamas right now. It's so cold. And I threw my hair up in a bun. I actually really like this bun. Like, it turned out really, really good. But they did open at 6. That's when we were planning to go, but we just didn't go. So they might not have what we want, but this is the only store we're gonna go to like early in the morning. Are you kidding me? They have it? So in Victoria's Secret, we got a lot of good deals because we had lots of coupons to use, and I'm going to be sharing like the deals that I got and the stuff that I actually bought in a separate video, because this video is just going to be way too long of a vlog of me actually shopping and going to the stores individually, just because it's 2 days worth of shopping and 2 days worth of a vlog. So I'd rather just make a whole separate video of what I got during this vlog. So if you want to see everything that I got today and yesterday, be sure to watch that video after this one when it comes out. But we're now going to Burlington and Marshall's. They have the cutest section, like right when you walk in, of like all the gifts. They have like perfume. They have a whole bunch of beauty stuff as well. So I also found a facial steamer, which I was gonna buy one off of Amazon a while ago, and I just never did. And they have one here. I've never seen one in stores. They have so much stuff on clearance. Thank you, you too. I am now home, and I'm pretty sure that I'm finished shopping all for Black Friday. My parents are out shopping right now. That's actually the reason why I'm using my phone, because she had my extra battery from last night when I was filming, and it's not charged. So my camera, the last battery just ran dead, and that's my last battery that I have. So I'm just going to be filming this outro on my phone. Like I said, stay tuned for a part 2 to this video to find out everything that I ended up buying. I did show you like a little bit here and there of like the things that I bought, but for a full haul, be sure to check out that video after I post it. I'll link it down below. If it's not there, I probably haven't posted it yet, but just wait on it, it's coming. But yeah, if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you went Black Friday shopping this year. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.